Allow me to begin with an imagination exercise. Picture a house in the middle of a valley and imagine that you are living there. And every time you come out of this house, you see that you are surrounded by these beautiful mountains. One of the mountains has a golden peak. It catches your attention. So you decide that you want to make the climb, reach the top and see for yourself what is it about. You wake up next day all geared up to make the climb. You reach the base of the mountain and start climbing, only to realize that you don't know the way to the top. But you don't give up. You keep on trying. You keep on looking for that path. And after some struggle, you actually do find the path. You make the climb and now you're at the top. Well done. Now imagine there is this another guy. This guy has a map with the directions to the top of the mountain. Now between the two of you, who do you think will make the climb faster, quicker? Obviously, it's the guy with the map who has higher probabilities of doing so. Stay with me for some more time. And imagine that there is this third guy. This guy has a notebook from a veteran climber who is local to that area. His notebook has the map to the top of the mountain and it also has other routes. Some of these routes are shorter and some of these are longer than the route that you took. Moreover, it comes with handwritten notes about which route to take depending upon the weather conditions. Which one to take if it's snowing, which route to take if it's rainy or if it's sunny. It even has a note about which route to take in case you have to make the climb in the night, which one to take if it's a new moon or a full moon. For somebody who wants to ensure that he reaches the top of the mountain fastest and irrespective of the weather conditions, it would seem that referring to the veteran's notebook would be the wisest choice. The same applies to our careers. A wisely chosen UX certification course can work wonders for your career in the field of UX, especially if you are a designer who is not formally trained. I am Arpit Kumar, a certified usability analyst, and today I'll talk about how HFI's CUA course can help you make that successful career transition. I remember when I was making this decision of choosing the best certification course. I remember how overwhelming it was. I am a self-taught UX designer and it had served me well to help me reach the designation, the position of a senior UX designer, but I knew that the way forward required upskilling. The realization that my existing skill sets were not enough to propel my career forward was making me feel really vulnerable. And the fact that I was now working with or competing against these designers who were formally trained from prestigious institutes was not helping my case either. I needed something that would help me upskill and would also confer on to me high credibility and do both of these in a relatively shorter amount of time. And this is what made me gravitate towards HFI's CUA course, and it was one of the best decisions that I have taken for my career because those 10 days, they changed the way I look at UX, they changed the way I talk about UX. Throughout the course, I was exposed to theories and techniques that went on to help me make better design decisions. Be it for nominal questions like which input method would be best for which use case, or slightly bigger decisions like which research methodology to pick up depending upon your project constraints. And numerous such situations where we designers find ourselves every day trying to find that best choice from the plethora of the options available. Thanks to CUA, I knew how to go about making my decisions. And since then I have designed websites that have won international awards. I have landed onto my dream job and I've even gotten a chance to mentor junior UX designers. I think what stood out for me about the skills that I picked up from the CUA course were their practical nature and their high transferability. CUA stands for Certified Usability Analyst. At the core, HFI's CUA course is targeted at enhancing skills and techniques required to deliver the best possible user experience. Throughout the course, the participants are exposed to proven approaches that have been used to design interfaces that are A. effective, B. efficient, and C. easy to use. The course structurally is broken into 4 modules. The first module talks about the basics of how humans perceive and process information. The second module covers techniques for doing a robust user centered analysis. The third module covers the science and art behind effective web and application design, and the fourth module takes you through practical usability testing. You can find the details about these modules and the course on HFI's website www.humanfactors.com. Over the years, these modules and the course have helped numerous designers like me to gain that technical expertise, to gain that credibility in the job market. So if you are a UX designer looking to enhance your UX skill sets, or you are somebody from a different industry looking to break into the field of UX, the CUA course provides you the exact ammunition to make that successful career transition, built on the highly curated course material that we offer and the training methodology to guide you through it, both of which have been perfected over 20 years that we have spent in the field of user-centered design training. And that is one of the reasons why HFI's CUA certification is widely accepted as a hallmark of UX expertise. HFI has trained and certified thousands of professionals globally through our public and on-site courses, more than nearly any other firm in the industry. There are numerous success stories, and the takeaway for every individual has been different. Like in my case, I was able to create an amalgamation with the skills that I picked up from the CUA course and my previous skill sets to come up with something that really made me stand out. I was now able to put forth my design rationale in a much more cogent way, and that made me really effective in communicating with the clients and other internal teams. If I look back, I think I always knew that I wanted to do the CUA because of the cachet that HFI enjoys in the field of UX, and also because of the fact that all my bosses, all my department heads were in one way or the another exposed to CUA or the HFI. It always had that aspirational value for me. My biggest deterrent though was the cost, and now it's my biggest regret. I so wish I had done this course earlier, because the money that I invested, the financial commitment that I made came back within a year. And the impact those skills have had on my subsequent paychecks were phenomenal. So if you are someone who is serious about making that career in the field of UX, CUA is one of the best investments that you can make in yourself. And don't just take my word for it. Talk to any individual who has been a part of HFI's CUA course and then decide for yourself. All the best for your journey in the fascinating field of UX. Hopefully our paths will cross. If you would like to connect and know more about the HFI CUA course, you can always reach out to me at arpit.k@humanfactors.com. Stay safe till then.